Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer drawer handle in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer drawer handle. The handle allows for easy gripping on the drawer when you slide it in and out. The main reason to replace the freezer drawer handle is if it's broken and won't stay in place, or it's missing. To get it apart, we need to open the freezer door. So this is the drawer handle we are going to replace. I am going to pull out the drawer, and next I'm going to grab it at the bottom and pull it outside slightly and lift it up. This is the old freezer drawer handle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is our new handle. I am going to show how we're going to install it. We're going to do the bottom first. These two tabs in the middle will go over the wire, and the two side tabs will go under the wire. A little tricky, but it's okay. You can do it. Bring it up, and I'm going to push it over. And I'm going to slide it in. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.